Yay! We have some fun measuring today. Today we'll be comparing things. You have to get some objects out and compare them to inches. So this is kind of fun. Well, I think it's really fun. I hope you do too. But you need lots of objects. So you might want to gather these before you get started. You'll need your cubes. You'll need your gems. You'll need some crayons. These are all some of the things that will kind of line out to measure or compare to a measurement. You'll need markers and you'll need some ones blocks. Okay. So if I went a little bit too fast, you can look on your paper and you can see here. It's cubes, crayons, gems, markers, ones blocks. And we'll use those for both pages too. Okay, so let's look at the first one, or let's look at the directions. It says, which is longer? Compare the two and circle the one that is longer. So here it says 20 cubes and 8 inches. So we need to line up 20 cubes and see which is longer, the 20 cubes or the 8 inches. What do you think? That's a good one. Okay, I don't know. Let's do it together. So let's share. I'm just going to share my screen. Whoop, my camera, sorry, is all wacky here. Okay, let's do 20 cubes. That's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oops, I need to get up 2 more cubes. Excuse me for just a moment. I thought I had enough there. There's 2 more. Okay, so here's my 20 cubes. So I'm going to line those up. And then I need to see which is longer, my 20 cubes or 8 inches. So when I measure, remember, line up end to end. So it's not, is it longer or longer than my ruler, but it's longer than 8 inches. So let's find the 8. There's the 8 right there. So which is longer? It's hard to tell, but my ends really are lined up. Just the angle there made it really hard to tell. Which is longer, 8 inches or my cube train? The cube train, right? So then we're going to go to our paper here. Sorry, I'm trying to do this I'm trying to show you everything at once, and it's becoming a little challenging for me. There we go. There, now we can see it all at once. Great. Okay, so did we say 8 inches was longer or the cubes were longer? The cubes. So then we're going to circle the cubes. Okay, so you're going to do that for each of these on this page. It says 20 cubes, 3 crayons, 6 gems, 2 markers, 8 ones blocks. And then you're going to compare it to this many inches. And then down here, come up with your own. You can use any of these, like 8 gems, 3 markers, whatever you want, and then measure it. Come up with some inches that you want to measure it with, and then circle the one that's longer. This one is a little bit different over here. This is fun. Let's do one of them together. So I'm going to move these out. This one, instead of just putting one object, you have to combine some objects. So this one is 2 crayons plus 5 gems. Okay. Let's put out 2 crayons and then 5 gems. 1, 2, 3. Let me move this back a little bit. And 2 more. 4, 5. Now the question is, which is longer, 2 crayons plus 5 gems or 10 inches? So let me get my ruler out. Here's my ruler. I'm lining up my ends over here. Here's the 10. Which is longer, my 10 inches or my crayons and gems? Here's 10 right here. The crayons and gems. So we would circle that one. Okay, so you're going to do that. Go all the way through and circle whichever one is longer. And then down here, once again, you get to come up with your own idea for this. So inches, like you could say 9 inches, and then make up one here where you use a couple different things at once. You could say 3 gems plus 4 cubes, whatever you want to say. Okay, go ahead. I think this one is really fun. So I hope that you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed making this one up. Okay, everyone. See you later. Have fun today.